we are going to learn about measures of central tendency formula and measures of dispersion formula. We see the formula one by one. Mean formula. Mean is denoted by x bar. Mean for individual series is sigma x divided by n. Sigma x means sum of the observation divided by number of observation. Next, this is for individual series. Then formula for discrete and continuous series is x bar equal to sigma fx divided by sigma f. Next, we are having another formula, combined AM. Combined AM is equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2. The first formula is used for individual data. The second one is used for discrete and continuous series. The next one is used for combined AM. That is, we are going to combine the 2 AM, x1 bar and x2 bar. The next one is median. Median for raw data is size of n plus 1 by 2 item. This formula we can use for discrete also. Then median for continuous data is L plus n by 2 minus m by f into c. This formula is only used for continuous data. For raw data, we have to arrange the data in ascending order and select the middle number, that is called the median. If two middle number are there, we have to find the average of two middle number. That formula also we can use. The next one is mode. Mode for individual series is most repeated value. If so one number is repeated so many times, that is called the mode. That is for individual series. To find the mode for discrete series, the value of x corresponding to the highest frequency. Mode equal to, for individual series, most repeated value. This is for individual series. Second one is mode for discrete data is value of x which corresponds to the highest frequency. Next, mode for continuous data is L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into c. This is for individual, this is for discrete, this is for continuous data. Next, we will see geometric mean. Shortly known as GM. Geometric mean for individual series is antilog of sigma log x divided by n. This is for individual series. For discrete and continuous series, GM equal to antilog of sigma f log x divided by sigma f. Next, we will see harmonic mean. Shortly known as HM. HM for individual series is n divided by sigma 1 by x. This is for individual series. For discrete and continuous, sigma f divided by sigma f by x, or sigma f divided by sigma f into 1 by x. Both are same. This is for individual series. This is for discrete and continuous data. Next we will see the measures of dispersion formula. The first one is range. A range formula is largest value minus smallest value. This is for discrete data, individual and continuous. Same formula, range is equal to L minus S. Next, coefficient of range. Coefficient of range is L minus S by L plus S. The next one is quartile deviation. Shortly known as QD. Quartile deviation formula is Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. Next, coefficient of QD, that is Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1, where Q1 is the lower quartile and Q3 is the upper quartile. Q1 for discrete data or raw data is size of n plus 1 by 4 item. This is for raw and discrete data. That is lower quartile formula. Q3 is the upper quartile. Q3 formula is size of 3 into n plus 1 by 4 item. These two formula are used for discrete and raw data or individual data. These two formula is used for individual and discrete data. Next, continuous formula. For continuous data, lower quartile Q1 equal to L plus n by 4 minus m by f into c. This is for lower quartile formula. Q3 upper quartile formula is L plus 3n by 4 minus m by f into c. This is for upper quartile formula. Quartile deviation is Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. Coefficient of QD is Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. Q1 formula for raw data and discrete data is size of n plus 1 by 4 item. Q3 for individual and discrete data is size of 3 into n plus 1 by 4 item. For continuous data, Q1 equal to L plus n by 4 minus m by f into c. Q3 formula is L plus 3n by 4 minus m divided by f into c. The next one is mean deviation. Shortly known as MD. Mean deviation about mean. Mean deviation about mean. For individual data is sigma modulus x minus mean divided by n. Next one, mean deviation about mean for discrete and continuous data. Sigma f modulus of x minus mean divided by sigma f. These two formula are used for mean deviation about mean for individual data is sigma modulus x minus mean divided by n. Mean deviation about mean for discrete and continuous data is sigma f modulus x minus mean by sigma f. Next one, mean deviation about median for individual data is sigma modulus of x minus median divided by n. This is for individual data. The second one is for discrete and continuous data. Sigma f into modulus x minus median divided by sigma f. These two formula are used for mean deviation about mean. First one is for individual, second one is discrete and continuous, third one is for Mean deviation about mean for individual. The fourth one is for discrete and continuous data. The next one is standard deviation, shortly known as ST. This standard deviation denoted by sigma. Sigma for individual data is sigma x square by n minus sigma x by n the whole square. This is for individual data. For discrete and continuous, sigma fx square divided by sigma f minus sigma fx by sigma f the whole square. Next, another formula for measure of dispersion is coefficient of variation, sigma by x bar into 100. The next one is Paul-Pearson's coefficient of skewness. That formula is mean minus mode divided by standard deviation. Next one, Bowley's coefficient of skewness is Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 median divided by Q3 minus Q1. This is for Bowley's coefficient of skewness. This is for Pearson's coefficient of skewness. Paul-Pearson's coefficient of correlation is denoted by R. That formula is n sigma xy minus sigma x sigma y divided by square root of n sigma x square minus sigma x the whole square into square root of n sigma y square minus sigma y the whole square. Then R always lies between minus 1 to plus 1. The next one is Spearman's rank correlation, which is denoted by rho. That formula is 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n into n square minus 1. The next one is regression formula. Regression equation of x on y is x minus x bar equal to bxy into y minus y bar, where x bar and y bar are arithmetic mean of x and y. Bxy is called the regression coefficient of x on y. X bar formula is sigma x divided by n and y bar formula is sigma y divided by n. Regression coefficient formula is n sigma xy minus sigma x sigma y divided by n sigma y square minus sigma y the whole square. Another formula also the r sigma x by sigma y. R is the coefficient of correlation, sigma x is the standard deviation of x, sigma y is the standard deviation of y. Next one, regression equation of y on x is y minus y bar equal to byx into x minus x bar, where x bar and y bar are the arithmetic mean of x and y respectively. Byx is called the regression coefficient of y on x. That formula is n sigma xy minus sigma x sigma y divided by n sigma x square minus sigma x the whole square. Another formula for Byx is R sigma y divided by sigma x. Next one, relation between correlation coefficient and regression coefficient is R is equal to square root of bxy into byx. That is, correlation coefficient is the geometric mean of regression coefficient.